Welcome to Ubinium Tech Solutions, a unique supply chain management service company in India. We are an extremely professional, goal-oriented and client-driven software service provider company. We are passionately committed to help our clients with all our services and with our one-of-its-kind in-house ERP products. The manufacturing industry is often misunderstood. Technological innovations, world population, and consumer expectations are all increasing at an alarming pace. Therefore, the modern manufacturing industry needs to become more demand-oriented. Manufacturing industries faces lack of marketing support, awareness and technology upgradation. Ubinium supporting services includes instant online support and quick turnaround time to generate maximum organization revenue. To know more about us, visit our website today.